Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to export a point averaging report. So this will be a report with any and all information on any averaged points you took within your FieldGenius project. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm on the main menu of my project, and I'm going to head to the fourth option here, Reports. And within my Reports tab here, what I'm going to do is I am going to make sure my report type is set to point averaging report. Once I have that selected, you'll see I can change the file name if I so desire. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Create in the bottom right corner. That's going to give me a message here that says Point Averaging Report Created, and then the location of this project. It will always be in your export folder within the project that you are working within. Once you have that done, you're going to click on Done here, and you can back out of the Reports menu to get back to your main menu and continue on your merry way, surveying your way through your project. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export a point averaging report from FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.